Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a paw print shirt. I'm calling this one the Muddy Paw Print. You'll understand when you see the final washout. Mr. Tie-Dye has a tutorial video on how to do this tie, so if you want to look him up on YouTube and learn how to do this one, he does a great job explaining things. I just isolated the front of my shirt, drew on the paw print with a stencil that I made out of some plastic, and I'm tying it up with some sinew. I'm going to dye this one with liquid dye. I have some black that is thickened that I'm using for the paw print portion, and then some liquid black that is not thickened. For the scrunch portion of the shirt, I'm using Glacier blue, which is a Dharma color, and some baby blue over the top. I'm going to do that on both the front and the back. As you can tell as I'm putting my black on my paw prints, it's starting to run. Hence why I'm calling this one the Muddy Paw Print. I did take a paper towel and try to soak up some of the black that was on the paw prints to see if maybe I could reduce the spreading a little bit, but it still spread quite a bit. Well, here's the final washout. See what I mean by the muddy paw print? My black ran outside of the paw print portion. I obviously used way too much dye. So next time I'm going to have to cut back on my dye usage and see if maybe I can keep it inside the sinew. Thank you guys for watching.